Hi there and welcome. My name is Victor and I'll be your business guru. This channel is for first-time founders who want to understand how businesses actually work. So if you missed the last episode and you're considering starting a business and want to avoid common mistakes, this channel was designed to help you build with clarity and realism. So this is our second episode and it's based around the difference between a job and a business. So many people say they want to leave their job by starting a business. What they often do instead is recreate the same structure with more risk and fewer boundaries. Starting a business based on having done a job before can be very dangerous without full knowledge on how it would work as a business. So if we look at dependency, here is the simplest distinction. So if the business cannot function without your direct involvement, it depends on you. Dependency is not a moral failure, it's a stage. So for example, a freelance consultant who must personally deliver every service is dependent. Now that can be really profitable, but it's not scalable and therefore it's not a business, it's a job. So businesses reduce dependency through something called leverage. Now leverage itself comes from documented processes, repeat customers, delegation, or systems that operate without constant oversight. So for example, an accounting firm that standardizes onboarding, reporting and communication can add clients without adding to their founders' hours. So why does that matter for beginners? Well, the mistake beginners make is aiming for freedom immediately. The correct goal is stability first. So a stable business gives you options. An unstable one will just give you stress. So you need to focus on stability first. So next time, we'll look at why most businesses and their ideas fail before they even reach customers.